Welcome to MySalesJob, your ultimate channel for everything sales related. Making life simple is our slogan, and that is what we will do to make your learning here simple and effective. The members of our team who created these sales tutorials have a combined 120 years of sales expertise, including sales management. We are very familiar with what it's like to work in sales. We had to start from scratch to build our sales careers. At first, when making sales, we struggled with our selling process. But once we had the chance to get the right sales training, we were able to succeed in our sales career. We are happy to share our knowledge and experience with you today in the most straightforward style possible so that you can acquire them more quickly and immediately put them into practice. Whether you're a seasoned sales professional, or just starting your sales journey, we've got you covered. Our platform offers a wealth of resources and tools to help you sharpen your skills, stay up to date on industry trends, and achieve your career goals. Join our thriving community of sales experts and enthusiasts and take your sales career to the next level. At MySalesJob, we see sales as an art to be honed and perfected, not just a job. Our channel provides actionable sales tips, techniques, and tutorials for both beginners and experienced sales professionals to enhance their skills. We offer up-to-date information and best practices to help you stay ahead in the field and reach your sales goals. Our videos are short, captivating, and full of practical information that can be immediately applied. They can be listened to on the go, even when you are driving and doing other kinds of stuff. It employs a visual and audiobook style for ease of learning. We cover all aspects of sales, from the deal closing to selling psychology. Subscribe to our channel to boost your sales abilities and become a top performer. Our channel is a free resource for salespeople to achieve high performance through training, development tools, and team building strategies. We must remind you that becoming an effective and successful salesperson is a journey, not a destination. The learning process is almost endless. There are always new ideas, tools, and approaches being developed for us to perform better. All salespeople need to develop the mindset of continuous improvement and ingrain it into their DNA. Here are some of the immediately actionable videos you can view and apply once you understand clearly. You can expect more videos as we embark on this learning journey together. Anyway, we can't learn everything overnight. You have to allocate time to practice and develop your skills. Incidentally, MySalesJob has created a video on time management, specifically for salespeople to use their time effectively for prospecting toward closing deals and learning new skills and techniques. Here are some of the titles. How to be a successful salesperson. IDA, the traditional but practical way to sell. Top 10 closing techniques for salespeople. Top 10 phone techniques for salespeople. Time management for salespeople. How to present features and benefits. Negotiation skills for salespeople. Understanding types of buyers and their behaviors. There are more sales tutorial videos on the way. Stay tuned and you will definitely improve your selling skills and earn more money with satisfaction. This is the end of the video. If you like this video, press like, share, and subscribe. Don't forget the notification bell too. Stay safe. Stay healthy. Happy selling.